Assalamualaikum, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed today. My name is Zaimi bin Hashim, and I come from South of Malaysia and my hometown in Mersing, Johor. I have 8 siblings and I am a younger brother. I am 23 years old and I am not married yet. Islam is my religion and I bear witness there is no God except Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is messenger of Allah. My father's name is Hashim bin Musa and was born in Terengganu, same like my mother, Ramlah binti Ismail, who was born in the same state. For education, I take a degree in Economic Natural Resource from University of Malaysia Terengganu and expected graduated in October 2014. I can speak fluently in English and Malay language. Besides economy, I enjoy participating in many university programs like MT Entrepreneur Program and be a committee member in Economy Week. This involvement and my work experience as production operator as Junior Inspector Sdn Bhd and MMI Manufacturing Precision Sdn Bhd help to cultivate a strong team spirit and encourage cooperation among team members. Thus, I consider myself to be an excellent team player and enthusiastic person. Besides that, I am punctual, highly motivated and independent with positive attitude and strong work ethic. If you ask why you feel you are qualified for this position, I have the answer. I qualified to this position because I have the qualification and qualities that meet your company requirement. I also feel that this position is suitable by my knowledge and skill. Usually, I was a candidate who have followed your company development for a long time. Before coming to this interview, I do some research about your company's market, product and customers. End of the research, I find that with the ability and the knowledge I can help your company to achieve a goal. I have been build up my experience, develop my talent so that I could qualify for a position here. Everyone's here because they want to be here and they are the best what they do. I wish to make significant contribution to your company. I will give your full commitment for help this organization to develop and support the mission and vision of this company. I am willing to be placed anywhere in Malaysia and willing to travel. I am fortunate to have supportive family that will allow me to travel frequently for work. I hope the knowledge, experience and skill that I have suit to this position and your company. Once again, thank you for calling me to be interviewed and given the opportunity to explain more about myself. My expectation to this company is can give me a positive feedback regarding the application of this position. That's all about my background. Thank you. Okay, now I would like to talk about my strength. You must wondering what I have to qualify me for this position. Honest. Honest is one of my attitude and was able to work honestly. This can be evidenced by involvement in Student Representatives Council of Prairie University during my Form 6 in 2008. I was chosen by students to be welfare escort in school elections. I was assigned to take care of all Form 6 students and solve all the problems related to the students' welfare. My responsibility or my duties are manage problems related to the student welfare, coordinate fundraising activities, and manage the finance for the student welfare. All the duties has fostered an attitude of responsibility and problem-solving skill. For example, in 2008, there was a student who lost his father. I have been playing the role as a welfare escort to recommend to the president of the Student Representative Council to conduct a fundraising to help that student's family. One of my strengths is proficiency with Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Excel. I frequently use this computer program when studying since the secondary school until now. I took a computer class a few years ago and have certificate of basic computer skills. In addition, I am also enthusiastic and hardworking person. This quality can be proved by my effort in finding a temporary job after finish Form 6 before continuing studies. I have worked as a production operator at Jenis Factories Sdn Bhd and MMI Manufacturing Positions Sdn Bhd from 2010 until 2011. This shows my desire to get experience to develop and improve my ability and skills. Other quality that I have is adaptable and able to work under pressure. I am very adaptable and accepting of change with new processes of initiatives. I understand the importance of change, especially in work environment. I enjoy leading the change with positive encouragement and watching as a new operation gain acceptance and become successful. My job as a production operator does have a lot of stress. Work environment, they are uncomfortable and dusty make me always has a flu. Noisy workplace also make me depressed, but I can handle that problem by learning to adapt to the situation and how to control stress. Involvement in economic week as a committee member has demonstrated the ability to work as a team and able to cooperate with team members. Based on all the quality that I have, I am confident that I can be a asset to your company and contribute to the goal of your company. Finally, I hope my strengths are suitable with this position and your company. Thank you for giving me opportunity to explain clearly about my strength. Okay, that's all. Thank you.